Dear students, welcome to Social Science YouTube channel. Today, I'm uploading video number 25. In this video number 25, we discuss two chapters of sociology. The one is third chapter, social movement, and another chapter is social problems. Let us first go to the social movements. Narmada Bachao movement or Andolan is led by A. Medha Patkar, B. Dr. Shivarama Karanth, C. Baba Amte, D. Sundarlal Bhavagna. Yes, children, its answer is B. Medha Patkar. When Gujarat government decided to increase the height of Sardar Sarovar, so Medha Patkar protested against that because it was causing damages to wildlife as well as displacement of tribal people. Therefore, she protested against this project that was popularly called as the Narmada Bachao Andolan or movement. The one who opposed the establishment of Kaiga nuclear power plant, A. Kusuma Swaraba, B. Dr. Shivarama Karanth, C. Sundar Lal Bhavuguna, D. Panduranga Hegade. Yes, children, the correct answer is Dr. Shivaram Karanth. Dr. Shivaram Karanth, the famous Kannada poet, protested against establishment of Kaiga nuclear power plant because it causes lot of damages to the evergreen forest in Western Ghats. So therefore, he protested against that. Karnataka State Raita Sangha was founded by A. Rudrappa, B. D.M. Sundaresh, C. M.D. Nanjundaswamy, D. Basalingappa. Yes, children, the correct answer is M.D. Nanjundaswamy. So, Professor M.D. Nanjundaswamy founded Karnataka State Raita Sangha to protect the interest of farmers. The periodical Mukanayaka was started by A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Basavalingappa, C. M.G. Ranade, D. Jyotiba Phule. Yes, children, this is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar started Mukanayaka newspaper to fight against untouchability. In the roundtable conferences of 1930s, Ambedkar called for the untouchables to A. Fight against the British, B. Get better jobs of government, C. Become the rulers of India, D. Fight for separate country. Yes, children, the answer is C. Become the rulers of India. The first labor union was established in A. New York, B. London, C. Bombay, D. Rome. Yes, children, the correct answer is B. London. The environmental movement started in 1983 was A. Appico movement, B. Narmada Bachao Andolan, C. Silent Valley movement, D. Chipko movement. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. Appico movement. So, in the model of Chipko movement, this Appico movement was started in Karnataka to protect the forest. Assembly of people around common interest without any expectations or planning is called A. Mobs, B. Rumors, C. Propaganda, it's D. Public opinion. Yes, children, the correct answer is mobs. A violent and destructive nature of mob behavior is called A. Mob, B. Mob violence, C. Movement, D. Self-helping. Yes, children, the answer is B. Mob violence. Communal clashes, communal fights, group clashes are the some examples of A. Revolution, B. Mob violence, C. Movement, it's D. Social movement. Yes, children, the correct answer is B. Mob violence. Next chapter, social problems, chapter number 4 of sociology. The child labor is prohibited as per Article 14 of the Constitution, 34 Article of the Constitution, 44 Article of the Constitution, 54 Article of the Constitution. Yes, children, it is a 14th Article of the Constitutions. So prohibits practice of child labor. A 16-year-old is appointed in an industry which produces combustible products. A fine of rupees 50,000 imposed on the owner. B, a fine of rupees 10,000 is imposed on the owner. C, owner will be rewarded with cash prize. D, child's parent will be punished. Yes, children, the correct answer is a fine of rupees 50,000 is imposed on the owners, because even though the child is above 14, below 18, appointed them in dangerous industries listed in Industrial Act of India. So that is also considered as a child labor only. The owner will be punished. Child Marriage Prevention Act was implemented in the year A 2001 CE, B 2006 CE, D 2010 CE, D 2016 CE. Yes, children, the correct answer is B 2006 CE. A national policy was implemented in the year 1987 for the welfare of A, women, B, child labor, C, specially abled, D, farmers. Yes, children, the correct answer is B, child labor, for the welfare of child labor. So in 1987, a national policy was implemented by central government. Children below 14 years are being employed are called A, workers, B, child labor, C, craftsmen, D, students. Yes, children, they are called as a child labor. B, child labor is the correct answer. The prohibition of child labor was brought into force in the year A, 1988 C, B, 1986 C, 1976 C, it's D, 1985 C. Yes, children, the correct answer is B, 1986 C. If any family engage their children of below 14 years in any household activities during the school hours, the head of the family will be A, fined of rupees 10,000, B, imprisoned for 2 years, C, fined rupees 50,000, D, imprisoned for 5 years. Yes, children, the correct answer is fined for rupees 10,000. Even though parents engage their children in household works which are below 14 years, so it is also a punishable offense. Female feticide means killing girl baby just after the birth, aborting the girl's fetus forcibly, male and female sex ratio, maternal mortality rate. Yes, children. The correct answer is B, aborting the girl's fetus forcibly. The law prohibiting male feticide was implemented in the year A, 2000 year, 1994, C, 1996, Z, 1986. Yes, children, the correct answer is 1994. Any person who receives less than 1,632 calories of food is considered as healthy person, hunger and malnutrition, overweight or obesity, suffering from anemia. Yes, children, the correct answer is hunger and malnutrition. Invisible hunger refers to A, malnutrition, B, above poverty line, C, prosperity, The D, child abuse. Yes, children, the correct answer is malnutrition. A toll-free number for the child helpline is 1080, 1098, 1097, 1099. Yes, children, the correct answer is B, 1098. IPC section 370 deals child labor, child marriage, child trafficking, corruption. Yes, children, the answer is C, child trafficking. So, child trafficking, the person involved in child trafficking will be punished under IPC section 370. So, IPC means Indian Penal Code. Balika Sanghas are formed at A, university level, B, college level, C, Anganwadi level, D, school level. Yes, children. This is C, Anganwadi level. So to protect the girls, interest of the girls, or protect the rights of the girls, or protect her from the abuse or exploitation, Balika Sanghas are founded at Anganwadi level. Thank you, children. For more videos, subscribe to this channel. If you have missed the previous videos, so in description box, links are provided. You can watch them again. Thank you.